Welcome to our video series. Today we're going to be looking at Smart Notebook and the text pen features. Before we get started, you might be wondering exactly who I am and why I'm doing this training. Well, if I look familiar, yes, that was me last year. But I'm pretty sure that's not the reason you're here. So my name is Cori Frede, and I am an educational innovator, trainer, and lover of all things that we can bring into the classroom to encourage students to learn. Today we're going to be looking at the text pen within Smart Notebook and the different features from the basic to the advanced editing. In order to do this, I'm going to switch into dual mode right now. We're going to go up to View, Dual Page, and turn it on. The reason I love this dual page is because now, if you add a blank page to your slides, you are able to have your notes on the left and writing space on the right. I love this because when you're in a math class, your students have the ability to practice and see the example at the same time. So the text pen is located in our pen selections, and we're going to go up here and select it. It has the little ABC under the icon. So when you pick the text pen, what it's going to do is let you take your handwriting and turn it into text on your board. It does both print and cursive, and the benefits of this is some students have trouble reading different handwritings. Your handwriting might be big or small compared to your peers, and it gives an even playing field so that the kids can read everything on the board. However, you're not here just to look at the basic features. You want to see how to edit things. So we're going to open up this nice little table we created of all the editing features available. Let's start by writing something on the board. I'm going to write that basic sentence that everyone has seen a million times. But I'm not going to write the whole sentence for now. We're just going to write the quick brown fox. So let's let that load. And we see a check mark and an X. It disappears pretty quickly, but if you notice that there was a typo, you can click that X and rewrite this again. So let's start. First thing I want to do is I want to look at different things we can see. So we want to change the word quick. This isn't a quick fox, this is a slow fox. How do we do that? Well, let's circle the word quick and a text box appears. We're going to write slow and hit the check mark. So now it took the word quick and made it slow. However, you're going to notice it might have left no space between the two words. Easy fix, draw a line. Just go from the top, down, and you will see the two words will split. Now that the two words have split, let's see what else we can do. How about we change the word brown to the color brown? We're going to go up to our colors, select a brown, close out of the colors, and now just draw a line. You have to go back and forth to draw that line so that it knows you are changing the color and not deleting the word. Because if I was to just draw the word line once, it erased my word fox. Now I want to put the word fox back in. So I just write it and it will change back. However, the word fox is now brown. Well, how do I change it back to black? Again, we go to our colors, we select the color, and we draw a line. The next thing I want to show you is what to do if you need to just erase one letter in the word. Well, obviously these words are all spelled correctly right now, but what happens if instead of the, I wanted he? Cross out the T, and now you have the word he. Now, what else can we do? What if I want to change the word slow and write slow motion? Okay, let's add a word. So we're going to draw a carrot. And when the text box appears, we write motion and add it. Simple, easy. The last thing we're going to do today is show you how we can edit text that was pre-written. So I have here a sentence that's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind. First thing we need to do, change the number 1 to the word. We're going to circle the number 1, that text box comes up, and we can write the word 1 and hit the check. It skipped the space again, so we're going to just draw that line and add the space. I need to add the letter E to the word step because whoever typed this was going really fast. So we're going to draw that carrot, add the E, And because I accidentally hit some periods, we're just going to cross them out. It's really easy to use the editing pen, and it's a great thing for your students to come up to the board and practice editing handwriting or text so that they can see the different features. Please take your time watching this video, rewind, pause, and try these things out on your smartboard in the classroom. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. It was great seeing you. See you next time.